Hello guys, welcome back, and this is Gopi, your how to do friend. In this movie we are going to discuss about CodeChef problem, how to reverse the given number. So the problem code is Flow007. What the problem is going to do is nothing but they are going to give you one test case. This is nothing but the total number of input. So this many number of input we will get. Okay, so we need to reverse this number and then reverse this number. We need to print all the numbers in a reversed format. If it suppose it has the number 0 at the last, what we need to do is nothing but we need to omit that number and then we need to consider only the number which is greater than 0. Let's flip to CodeChef ID, which has the predefined template for C++ programming, which I have already already discussed in one of my previous video. So let's get started by implementing the code changes. First, we need to remove the commented line and then we need to print int t. T is nothing but the test cases we are going to get. Okay, so this t. So what we need to do is that for each number of test cases we need to get input from the user. For that we are going to have one variable that is called as a going to accept an integer from the user. So this is that value. So what does that while t minus minus means? For each time the while loop getting decreases, so it can accept this many number of test cases. The number of test cases available in the variable called t. Now C in A. Now we have got the actual number which needs to be reversed. So what I am trying to do now is nothing but I am going to declare another variable. I mean a loop. Okay, so I'm going to check whether the A is greater than 0 or not. If suppose the A is greater than 0, then I'm going to reverse the value. For the sake of simplicity, consider 1, 2, 3, 4 is the number. I wanted to reverse it. If we are using some C# or you can even convert this number as a array and then you can print it in the reverse order, but that is not case for this problem. What we need to do is nothing but we need to take off one last number from the entire number string. Okay, consider we have input 1, 2, 3, 4. We need to take off 4 from the number. Then what we need to do is nothing but we need to modulo the 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we will be get 4 as the result. So how can I achieve that? A modulo 10. In this case what we will be getting is nothing but, let's declare another variable, called C. Now I'm going to C equal to A percentage 10. Consider that A equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. So what we will be getting at last is nothing but A percentage 10 means 1, 2, 3, 4 percentage 10 will give you 4 as the number because it will divide up to 10th number. So 1230 will be divided and 4 is the remainder. That remainder will be present in the C. Now what we need to do is nothing but we need to print the C. So there is no endl here because we need to print number adjacent. Outside of this loop, what I'm going to do is nothing but I'm going to add one new line so that for after completing this loop, the purpose of the loop is to reverse the number. Once after reversing the given number, I'm just adding /n. /n is nothing but the new line. Now the while loop works on integer a. So we haven't changed integer a yet, so we need to change integer a. For that we need to do this one. So what I'm doing here is nothing but I'm just dividing 1, 2, 3, 4 with 10. We'll be getting some number. Okay, so this is how we need to reverse a number in C++ programming. Even this is the common logic for all the programming languages. Even if you don't like this approach, you can directly go ahead and do array.reverse in a C# or in Java as well, I think so. In case of Python, we can use that range, then hyphen, and it will be printing in the reverse order. Likewise, you can do, but that is not the optimal way because we need to think and we need to improve our logical skill. That is what we have wanted to do. I hope you have understood that. The code part is completed, but still we yet to do changes for handling 0, 0 at the last. Let's go to the editor. First we need to remove all the 0. For that I'm going to achieve this one. Okay, so if a percentage 10 equal to 0, then I'm going to do some changes in the a value. So that is what I'm going to do here. I need to remove that value. For that, divided by 10. So that's it. So what actually this while loop doing is nothing but this while loop actually trying to modulo the value of a with 10. If the remainder is 0, then the last number present in that integer string is nothing but the 0. Then I wanted to remove that number. For that, I'm just remove that number by dividing the value of a with 10 and then saving the result again back to the a. So that is the purpose of this specific line. It will come to this value. This tries to reverse the number given and then it will print. Okay, so each and every character I'm printing. So now we have completed the coding part. It's time to submit it. Just click on the run button and then wait for a while. It will take some time. So this error is actually whenever I'm trying to run the problem in CodeChef, I'm usually getting this problem. I don't know why I'm getting this. So let's go ahead and hit on submit code. Then the program will get checked against all the hidden test cases. Let's see how the program is getting on. You could see here submission is queued. So once after that, you will see that the correct answer means that the program have successfully run against all the test cases given, and we have got the accepted. Then the time is 0. The solution is here. So that's all for this video, guys. So if in case you like my video and like my work, please go ahead and subscribe to my video. That would be great motivation for me to do more things. That's it, and meet you guys on another video. Thank you.